Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about abstract painting hopping. What does that mean? Well, there are so many amazing videos here on YouTube about abstract painting. You can hop from one to the other and it's fantastic that there are many artists doing some great things. However, if you are wanting to find your own style and your own way of painting, then I've got a few suggestions. When you're looking at one of these videos that you really like and you think, oh gosh, I wish I could paint like that, or, on those lines, then my suggestion is to go away and do something similar, but do it 3, 4 or 5 times. And then see if that's something that you really want to do. So if you go on somebody's YouTube channel and you see a different style that they're doing, go and do it yourself. But try it not just once or twice, try it a few times to see if that way of painting, obviously it will be unique to you, although you might be using that method as a guideline. But you find out by doing that if it really resonates with you or not, if it's something that you feel you could develop. And one of the wonderful things about abstract art is that you're abstracting. You're abstracting something from yourself onto the canvas or the paper. You're making your own expression. And the videos and the artists that you like, there's something there that resonates with you from inside. So follow it to see where that might take you. You're not copying, you're exploring, you're investigating what it is that you want to express, what you can use from those examples that will help you, guide you into your own path. There are many different ways of starting a painting, and there are many different ways of, exploring possibilities. If you're just starting out and you really want to find a process and a system that you can work with, I have a free abstract mini course to help you on your way to get you started. I've put the link in below, and if you go there, you will have your free class and your free classes. It will give you a start. But if you just hop from one to the other, to the other, to the other with all the different videos that you watch, you're going to get very confused. So go with one that you like, maybe the most. Try that method out 2, 3, 4, 5 times, however many times, to see how that resonates with you from the inside. And then if it doesn't, then go to the next and go to the next. So when you're looking at many of these videos, the person that's doing those videos has had a guideline from somewhere else, from themselves, or they've been influenced by, many of the great master artists. You don't know. What you do know is that you can explore your own possibilities within those methods, and that would stop a lot of the confusion of should I do this or should I do that or should I do the other. Go with one, do it a few times, see how it feels. Go with another, do that a few times, see how it feels. And inevitably, something is going to come together, because the experience of doing it that many times will show you how it fits with you or not. And if you're just starting off and you want a system to begin with, then you can go and do the free mini course. I have lots of other courses as well to help you develop your skills and your creativity, which are very helpful, and many people have done them. But my suggestion is if you find yourself hopping from one video to the next, getting confused, overwhelmed, maybe even disillusioned, then go and try it a few times, see if it works for you, see what you bring to that method, and if it resonates with you and how you can develop it. So I hope you find that helpful, and if you want the mini course, the description is in below. Leave me your comments, tell me how you feel when you're watching many different videos on abstract art, what happens. And if you want more of these tutorials, press the notification bell and like the video, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care, bye for now.